What's up, everybody? It's Wayne, back again with another detailing video, Google review video to be exact. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to get more reviews, how it impacts my business, how I get more business from it, just everything about Google. Let's talk about it.
All right, man. Hey, Wayne, how many Google reviews do you have, bro? Do you know?
Right now, let me make sure I'm exact, man. And it's detailing. Right now, I'm at 231. 5-star.
How'd you get so many? What's the secret, Wayne?
The secret is feed off the customer's energy in the moment. Don't wait until you get home to send them that link. You want to have the link ready, which you grab from your Google, and you want to share it with them as soon as they're celebrating. Oh, my car looks amazing. Oh, the Google review has already been sent to you. Do you mind leaving a star rating? Oh, no problem. And they do it right then and there. As soon as you leave, most people, they don't really care. You know what I mean? You did an amazing job, but they don't care to leave a review most of the time. So that's how.
So Wayne, would you say Google reviews is one big way you get business?
I believe it's the number one reason why I get most of my business. And the reason why that is I like to post Google ads. So just imagine if you have a website, you got good ratings and reviews. So when you look on Google for a detailer, you're gonna see the reviews and you're like, man, let me see what this guy is about. Let me check him out. Then they're gonna click on your website. And then from the website, then they go and look on your YouTube. Then from the YouTube, then they look on your Instagram. So you wanna give them many ways to find some specs about you. But it starts from that Google, that rating they seen that drew their attention to it. And then the thing I'm getting most of the time when they call is, wow, you have amazing reviews and a lot of 5 stars. You must be really good. I want to book you. And this is what I'm hearing a lot. Like, wow, your reviews are amazing. I went through like 50 of them. I couldn't stop reading. And then they're actually pointing out the comments like, wow, the person really said that. Like, you know, and people want to feel comfortable. They want to know that they're going to be taken care of. And those reviews really seal the deal. And then you go there and you do an amazing job. And they're thinking reviews. Those are the people that leave reviews for you after looking at the reviews. So yeah, it all goes hand in hand. Google ads, put your ads first, then they see the reviews and the ratings, and then you got them locked in.
All right, let's say there's a detailer out there that's just too shy. They don't like asking people for reviews.
Right.
What advice do you have for them?
I would say as soon as you leave, send it to them right away. Don't wait too long. Like literally get in your van and say, hey, I'm glad that you love this service and I sent the review over, or even call them. You know, sometimes you don't like to talk in person, but you can call or just text. It's just that simple. Send the link, write a little comment, and that's it.
Hey Wayne, so back to the Google reviews.
Yes, sir.
Well, hey, you said you had some incentives for your employees.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me more about that?
So pretty much to motivate them to get out there and ask for reviews, I told them it's $10 every 5-star review that they get. And once I told them that, they just went on one. You know what I mean? Racking up 50 to 120 is the max I've seen. They could save it up or they can get it every paycheck they have come up weekly. So that's a good tactic if you got employees. Let them know. I pay for upsells. Every upsell 25, they make 5. 50, they make 10, so on and so on. With the 5-star reviews, it starts racking up and it encourages them and motivates them to get out there to help assist grow the business. So they're a part of it. So tap into it.